So I'm at the airport and I'm going to be clicking a selfie with Sarfaraz, who's given me an emergency seat. Yes, Mr. Sarfaraz?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to click a picture?
Yeah.
So you voted for me?
Yeah, I did.
वो वोटिंग नकली थी, पता है, सब रियल लोगों ने वोट
मैंने
किया था. हाय सुष्मिता, how are you? Good.
Glad to meet you.
Thank you. Glad to meet you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I just passed the security and the CISF officials were doing a good job. एक इंसान के बैग में उसने लाइटर छुपा के रखा था. So they could like figure it out कि लाइटर छुपा के रखा है. And he was like denying throughout कि नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. So it was like a long wait. But then I got my bags. And it's a tough job. The CISF is a tough job. So I can understand if a little bit of mood swings, no, or a little bit of temper can go haywire because they're standing there the whole day scanning bags, scanning items inside the bags. So they are human beings at the end of the day. We need to be much more patient with them and calm with them because we are in a hurry. But हम तो खाली एक scan कर रहे हैं. वो तो पूरा दिन सिर्फ यही करते हैं. That's their job. It's a tough job. Anyways, I'm going to have coffee. Bye. Time to enjoy. Because संग्राम तो थाईलैंड पे है. Enjoy कर रहा है अपने आप को. मतलब enjoy नहीं, workout कर रहा है या training कर रहा है. But वो तो अपना me time ले रहा है ना. तो अभी मैं भी अपना me time लूँगी मेरे पेरेंट्स के यहाँ. Because वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ स्ट्रेस ऐसे नहीं होता मैनेज करने का. I can just have room service. Okay? Bye. और यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट पे सब आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड बेचेंगे. SBI से लेके एक्सिस बैंक से लेके सब लोग. And I'm like, God, people don't fall into that trap. Anyways, let me see my lounge. Otherwise, I go to Starbucks. Yeah, and have a coffee. Hi. 1 second. Your banana chocolate or is your fire? So I'm having this and my coffee. I have milk, caramel coffee, and I'm having it at Starbucks. So I forgot to tell my PR person the flight details and the terminal. I'm at Terminal D2. I forgot to tell her. I was busy packing my house, no, locking my house, packing my bags, so I forgot. Anyways, I'm going to get back to you guys soon after I land. Oh, that's my white hair. Why didn't she color it? Amanda, what have you done? So I was just like entering the aircraft and they have this kind of random checking happening. Imagine random checking happening and asking for lighters and matchbox. When lighter and matchbox screening has happened. CISF has done the screening. Lighters and matchbox, everything has been screened and they want to ask again while entering the aircraft. Dumbness, if had a name, then it is this. Yeah? Like, how do people even qualify? They don't have basic IQ. They're asking if I'm carrying matchbox or a lighter. They know who I am, yet they want to do this stupid conversation. Means how can you have a matchbox and lighter after crossing CISF screening? And this is what is happening in the Indigo flight. Random checking. So kindly give them some common sense before you plant them at the entrance of the aircraft. ये रैंडम चेक्स कौन करता है? बट आप मुझे बताइए कि लाइटर और मैच बॉक्स ये पूछते हैं वो लोग जब सिक्योरिटी चेक होता है, मतलब इतनी स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन करते हैं, है ना? अक्ल तो है नहीं ना. हाथ मतलब अब वहाँ पे तो स्क्रीन में चेक किया ना, जिसको झूठ बोलना था उसका झूठ तो पता चल गया. अब यहाँ पे अगर कोई चोरी करके लाया है तो मतलब तुम कह रहे हो CISF का स्क्रीनिंग झूठा है और वो कोई तुमको खुद बोलने वाला है हाँ भैया मेरे बैग में लाइटर और मैच बॉक्स है. मतलब बेवकूफ़ पंती की भी हद होती है. how are you?
Good, good to see you.
Thank you. One second. भैया जाओ अंदर.
I needed to.
13. So means they want to convey the message that CISF का जो स्क्रीनिंग होता है वो फेक होता है एंड वो स्क्रीनिंग से कोई लाइटर और मैच बॉक्स चोरी करके यहाँ पे लाएगा एंड ये लोगों को बोलेगा वर्बली कि हाँ मेरे बैग में लाइटर और मैच बॉक्स है. मीन्स इफ डमनेस हैड अ live example, it was this. Yes. It's on. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, picture.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So are you going to tag me on Instagram?
If you would not mind.
Yes, yes, do that. I had fan moment inside the flight and I'm having fan moment out here. Do you think they're genuine fans? I think so, yes. I've not paid them. Nor is my PR doing her job. She doesn't know how to do her job. By the way, she's not my PR. She's my husband's PR. So I'm going to be meeting my brother. And I might not be switching on my camera because he likes his privacy. So we don't disturb him. There is a Billy. The bacha. Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's nice to be recognized. Fans. What do you say? That's good feeling. See, I have sat in the car and I'm with my brother, Gugu. I have to take his permission before I shoot him. He's very strict about privacy rules. Hi, Gugu.
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
See, he and me. He and me. So now I'm in Ahmedabad. And I'm in Gogo's car, and Gogo's taking me home to meet my parents. Oh my god. This is called Delhi Darwaza. I have no idea why it's called Delhi Darwaza. God, I used to come here in Bachpan. I'm back to this city. Oh God, ये दिल्ली दरवाजा है.